Hello everyone, my name is Vallisri. I have recently got placed in Accenture and so I wanted to share my interview experience through this channel so that it could be useful to the viewers. Actually, my interview was initially scheduled on 16th May in the evening. I entered the room and waited in the lobby, but the interviewer did not join the interview. I waited for almost 1.5 hours, and around 6 I messaged Accenture through the help page they provided. And I came to know that they informed me that the interviews for that day were over and they asked me to leave the room and they assured that the interview will be rescheduled. And I did not mail them again. But after 3 days, I got another mail stating that my interview was rescheduled and my actual interview happened on 20th of May. At the beginning, the interviewer introduced herself and then asked me to introduce myself. I have made it very brief. I told about my branch, my CGPA, and then about my project and my hobbies. She then asked me to talk about my project and I explained it. And after that, she asked me whether the project was a group project or an individual project. I told that it was a group project. And then she asked me how the work was divided among all the members of the group. And then I answered it. And then she asked me what are the soft skills, apart from the technical skills, what were the soft skills that I learned during that project. I told that I have learned that it is not only important for a person to work in a team and be a team player, but it is also important for a team leader to involve everybody into the project and make everybody work equally in the project. And I have also told that I have learned that communication is a key for a success of a team. And then she asked me to tell about any conflict that has occurred during the project and how it was handled. I have told that she also mentioned that she wanted the conflict to be real and she did not want answers like, yeah, we motivated ourselves, we had to do that, and all that stuff. She wanted a true answer. And then I have told her that we had a conflict while choosing our project, and everybody of the team had different ideas, but we managed to get through it by listing out the negatives that we had with each project in terms of the time it would take, in terms of the technologies that we had to learn and all. And so we have chosen the project that had the least number of negatives associated with it. And then she asked me to tell about any unsuccessful moment in my life. And I asked if I could go beyond my academics, and she told that, yeah, I could go if I was comfortable. And then I mentioned a moment where I felt that I was unsuccessful. And then she asked me to tell about any incident that I know where unavailability of resources turned to be a potential. Then I mentioned about an incident where we were given a task to be done and we had the least resources, but I felt that I could sustain only because of the idea that I have had for the approach of that task. And then she asked me about the subject that I did not like in my academics, and I have mentioned it. And she asked what I had done to overcome that dislike or fear about that subject. And I have told that I have referred to other sources other than our college lectures, and I have referred some blogs, some websites, and videos by NPTEL, and that helped me a lot in studying that subject. And then that was the end of questions from her part, and she asked me if I had any questions from my side. I then asked two questions, and the first one was how her experience was in Accenture, and she answered that it was very good. And then I asked what in her mind is the major problem that they face due to freshers, and she answered that freshers sometimes become so rigid to what the technologies they want to work on and what the skills that they want to learn. But as freshers, they are expected to learn and work on to whatever is given to them and whatever is required at work. And that was the end of my interview. I want to thank Tech and Target channel for working in communicating with students who have already given their interviews and then sharing the interview experiences so that it could be helpful to the people who were preparing, and this helped me a lot in my preparation for Accenture interview. Thank you so much, Tech and Target.
तो दोस्तों अगर ये आप सभी को इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा लगा हो तो दोस्तों इस इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस पर लाइक जरूर कर दीजिएगा। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों कमेंट सेक्शन में पहले से री को दोस्तों कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस भी जरूर कर दीजिए। और साथ ही साथ दोस्तों हमारे चैनल पर और भी बहुत सारे एसेंचर के इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस है, तो प्लीज हमारा चैनल जरूर चेक कर लीजिए। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में बहुत सारे लिंक दे रखे हैं एचआर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन के, साथ ही साथ दोस्तों एसेंचर के जितने भी इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस हमने डाल रखे हैं उसकी दोस्तों हमने एक प्लेलिस्ट बना रखी है और उस प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक दोस्तों मैंने अपनी डिस्क्रिप्शन पर दे रखा है। तो दोस्तों बस यही है कि इस वीडियो पर लाइक जरूर कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि हर एक लाइक आपका मुझे मोटिवेट करता है कि मैं आपके लिए और इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस लेकर आऊं एसेंचर के लिए। दोस्तों अगर आपका कोई भी डाउट है या फिर कोई भी क्वेरी है तो नीचे मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी जरूर बताइए। तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही, मैं जल्दी में तो अपनी नई वीडियो में अपने नए टेक अपडेट के साथ, जब तक के लिए दोस्तों धन्यवाद।